The orange juice production process is truly a masterpiece of engineering. In the first step, tons of oranges are poured into a giant, rapidly rotating drum. This machine separates the oranges from their peels in seconds. Just like a storm, processing hundreds of oranges per second, this system peels the fruit in a single stroke and immediately throws out the pulp. Then, giant press machines come on stage. Working with incredible force, these presses literally turn the oranges into liquid. They extract every last drop of juice from an orange. You won't believe your eyes when you watch this. Here are those moments when tofu is miraculously produced from soybeans. It all starts with tons of soybeans being poured into giant drum washing machines. These powerful machines shake the beans in seconds, removing their skins and all foreign matter. Then things get really hot. The soybeans are pumped into giant boiling cauldrons. Here, the machines instantly boil the beans and release the proteins they contain. The images rising from the steam look like they came out of a science fiction movie. Get ready, because now you will witness how the purest miracle of nature turns into liquid gold. A handful of sap turns into legendary maple syrup, and all this thanks to the incredible power of humans. In the first step, tons of olives are shaken by giant vibrating machines and are torn from their branches in seconds. The olives that fall to the ground are immediately transferred to giant conveyor belts. There is no stopping here. We continue at full speed. The washing machines come into play. The olives are cleaned in seconds with powerful water jets, leaving no dust or leaves. And now the show begins. The olives are sent into rotary hammer crushers. These machines crush and break the olives with their seeds into a thick paste. The engines work so hard that you can feel the ground shaking. It all begins with the steam softening of soybeans in giant cooking vats. The beans then meet the wheat roasted in rotary roasters and are transformed into a dense mixture in giant mixers with powerful motors. This mixture is aged for weeks in huge fermentation tanks where the temperature and humidity are adjusted with precision machines, and the transformation proceeds silently thanks to the secret dance of microorganisms. The fermented mixture is pressed with high-powered press machines to obtain a dark and rich liquid. Kombucha production begins with boiling water in large tanks and adding black or green tea. After the tea is brewed, a certain amount of sugar is added and the mixture is cooled. The cooled tea is transferred to fermentation tanks, and a symbiotic bacteria and yeast culture called SCOBY is added. These tanks are kept for a certain period of time in environments where temperature and humidity values are fixed by automation systems. When the fermentation process is complete, the kombucha is passed through high-precision filtering machines to remove sediment. Then, it is filled into bottles on filling lines, capped, packaged, and made ready for consumption. Pudding production begins with the basic ingredients being collected in large mixing tanks and brought to a homogeneous consistency. Milk, sugar, starch, and flavorings are added in the correct proportions with automatic dosing machines, and this mixture is heated by continuous mixing. During heating, the consistency of the mixture is constantly controlled with viscosity measuring devices. When the cooked pudding reaches a certain temperature, cooling systems are activated and the product is directed to the filling machines. The puddings, which are portioned and filled into containers in automatic filling lines, are passed through rapid cooling tunnels. Oatmeal cookie production begins with the mixing of flour, oats, sugar, oil, and other ingredients in large capacity mixers. Automatic dosing systems add each ingredient in the correct proportions, and the mixture is turned into a homogeneous dough in kneading machines. The prepared dough is transferred to continuously operating dough shaping machines where it is shaped into cookies. The shaped dough is transported to ovens on conveyor belts and baked in tunnel-type ovens with precisely controlled temperatures. The baked cookies are cooled to the ideal temperature on cooling belts and then directed to packaging machines. Peanut butter production begins with roasting raw peanuts at high temperatures in large roasting machines. The roasted peanuts are quickly brought to the ideal temperature with cooling systems and then directed to shelling machines. The peanuts separated from their shells are turned into puree using stone mills or high-speed grinders. During the grinding stage, oil and salt are added to the mixture in certain proportions to ensure homogeneity. The resulting peanut butter is passed through viscosity and consistency control systems and transferred to filling machines. The production of bottled lemonade begins with the squeezing of fresh lemon juice in large pressing machines. The lemon juice obtained is passed through pre-filtering systems to remove unwanted parts such as pulp and seeds. Then, water, sugar, and lemon juice are combined homogeneously in automatic mixing tanks in specified proportions. The prepared lemonade mixture is brought to the desired temperature with cooling units and directed to the filling machines.